How to share Google Docs and WhatsApp. So first is go to File, which is located on the upper left corner of your screen. Then go to Share and then select Share with Others. So under General Access, make sure that this says anyone with a link. If not, click this drop-down arrow button and select anyone with a link. So you can select the role of the individuals that has access to this document by clicking this drop-down arrow button beside Viewer. So you can change the role of those individuals to Viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Once done, click Copy Link and then click Done. Now go to the WhatsApp website and then select the chat that you want to send this document to. Click this text box. So you can right click and then select Paste, or you can also use your keys Command plus V or Control plus V, and then click Send. And so that is how you share Google Docs and WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.